Why does everyone love black ice? No, we're not talking about that black ice. We're talking about Little Tree's most famous scent.
You don't know what black ice is?
I don't know.
Bruh. Today we'll be discussing the history of these little Axe body spray smelling timbers, as well as giving our thoughts on how it became the most popular Little Tree's scent.
That's right, black ice is by far the most popular Little Tree's air freshener scent. If you look at any thread talking about air fresheners on Twitter, Reddit, anywhere else on the internet, black ice is always the hot topic. Even Little Trees themselves gives black ice special treatment on their website. Don't believe what you see on the internet? Pep Boys conducted a survey going through all their stores to find out which was the most popular Little Tree sold, and black ice was the clear favorite. In terms of total sales, vanilla came in third, new car came in second, and our favorite musty men's cologne-like smell came in first. We're not immune to the charms of black ice either, as our Honda Odyssey currently has 7 of these bad boys hanging from the rearview mirror.
Black ice is listed on the Little Trees website as an enticing masculine blend of citrus and wood. Digging a bit deeper, you can find this special blend is actually sandalwood, lemon, and bergamot. Don't know what bergamot is? I didn't either, and I'll save you the Google search. It's a type of citrus fruit. Despite its popularity, black ice isn't actually Little Tree's original scent. That would go to Royal Pine. The first Little Tree was invented by its creator Julius Simon in 1952 when he was tasked by a milk delivery driver to get rid of a spoiled milk smell. Simon had been doing research extracting oils from Canadian pine trees and decided to embed those oils in thick cardboard cutouts. As for the shape of the air freshener, Simon took inspiration from the scent itself and cut them out into a tree. Thus, the Little Tree was born.
Jumping back to the present, it's clear that black ice is currently the king, but how did it get there? Unfortunately, there's no one correct answer on how it really became the top dog. Some argue that the smell of that black cardboard tree is just superior to any of the other offerings. Others say its potent scent is pretty good at covering up another little tree. For some, it's not even about the scent. The look of a black ice hanging from the rearview mirror is just cool. Whatever the reason, black ice has definitely become Little Tree's flagship product.
Not everyone is a fan of black ice though. Some say the Axe body spray-like smell is overwhelming, and that's a valid point. Despite its small form factor, this bite-sized tree packs a punch. Some online commenters will go as far to say as it causes cancer. We don't think those naysayers are doctors though. On the extreme side, some people say black ice users are poor and dirty, and that having multiple black ices is called a felon forest. But are Little Tree's owners really out here committing crimes, or are they just enjoying a pleasant smell? Say what you want, but we still love those Little Trees.
If you've stuck around this long, you might be a black ice fan. But do you really know how to properly use your Little Tree? Most people tear off the packaging completely when cracking open a fresh black ice, but you're really supposed to keep portions of the plastic wrapping on. You may notice the scent of your Little Trees wears off pretty quickly, but when this plastic sheath is kept partially on, the scent lasts much longer, and it's much less potent right off the bat. Little Trees recommends leaving the packaging on. But if you're a real black ice fan, just go ahead, take it off, live a little.
Alright, we've come a long way in understanding black ice's history, its public perception, its intended use, but what do we actually think about it? Is black ice just a dumb trend that will fade away like its cologne-smelling scent? Or does black ice have real staying power in this competitive car freshener space?
Personally, I love black ice because it's just such a strong smell that it just overwhelms anything else. If you have like a cherry air freshener, a lot of the times it smells like cherry and whatever bad thing you're trying to get away. But black ice is so potent that there's no shot of you smelling anything bad. It's also the most talked about Little Tree, so I feel like a lot of people just go into an auto parts store and pick the one that everyone talks about.
I, on the other hand, have been brainwashed into liking black ice. I had one on my first car, an E36, and I've had one on most cars since as sort of a goofy good luck charm. Whatever the reason, we think black ice has become an iconic staple for car owners across the board. Whether you're a car enthusiast, an average Joe, or just playing into the felon forest stereotype, we can all agree that black ice's unique smell and stylish presence on the bottom of your rearview mirror is an iconic symbol that's here to stay.
What about you? Do you like the smell of black ice? Why do you think it became the most popular little tree scent? Let us know down below.